Hi and welcome back again to Adobe After Effects 2022. Right now I would like to show you how you can liquify the effect on the text layer. Let's start by making a text layer. Click drag drop in the preview screen on your text tool or your type tool, or you can press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Then you can choose the font and you can adjust the size, the style, and the color of the text. And let's type liquid over here. And then let's pre-compose this text layer to be a composition layer by pressing Shift Ctrl C on your keyboard. Move all attributes to the new composition and type liquid white. Okay. Yeah. And then we go to the figures in the effects and presets. Type figures for the effect. Drop this in here and you see in the effect controls and choose the blend mode transparent and choose the width into 4 so that it would becomes clearer. Yeah, and the opacity into 1 like this. And then we can make a keyframe out of the length and the rotation by pressing on these stopwatches and press U on your keyboard to make all the keyframes shown. Yeah, so enter this and this buttons to create another keyframes till it become blue like this, and go to the previous keyframe by pressing J on your keyboard and put the length into 0, and when we play this will come out, and click the random face checkbox. Yeah, something like this, and the random seed becomes 2. Yeah, and then the rotation in the beginning press -90. Then change the segment to B1, so it would have something like this. Yeah. Then duplicate this layer in your timeline and change the name to be blue. Yeah. And let's change the random seed to be 2 so that it would have different time of movement. Yeah, something like this, and change the color to be blue like this, and change the width maybe into 6 so it would be varied and different from the liquid white. And the liquid white we should change it into white as well. Yeah, something like this. And then after we close the drop down menu of liquid white, duplicate the liquid blue again and move this somewhere in here as the beginning. Press I for the time indicator to move to the beginning of the liquid blue 2. Oops. Press enter to change the name of the layer in here in your composition. For the topmost layer, change into the liquid red. Yeah, something like this. And then we go to the Minimax in the effect and preset. Put in here in the liquid red and make sure drag it into the top of the Vegas effect, change it into minimum, radius into 3 or 5, and change the channel into alpha and color, change the color into reddish pink or pinkish red, yeah. And then increase the width, for example to be 32, yeah, or maybe 35, yeah, something like this, and change the random seed to be 4, yeah. And then we can also go to the simple chalk in the effect and preset, type that effect and drop into the liquid red layer. Make sure the simple choker is at the bottom of the Vegas layer on the effect controls. Put the chalk matte into 4. Yeah, something like this will do. And yeah, choose one composition, open it by clicking 2 times on that layer to open the composition. Oops. And copy by pressing Ctrl C on your keyboard the text layer, and then press Ctrl V to paste the text in here on the topmost layer. Select all of these 3 layers, 3 composition layers by pressing Shift on your keyboard while clicking on this red until white layer, and press Shift Ctrl C on your keyboard again, and make sure to move all attributes into the new composition and type text like this, and toggle switches mode to reveal the track matte tab, and go to the track matte tab of the text composition layer and choose alpha matte liquid. So you would have something like this. Yeah. You can always go back to the liquid red composition by clicking 2 times on the composition of text, and we can always change the effects on the effects controls. Let's widen up the width in the Vegas effect on this liquid red layer to be 100 to be the maximum width, and go to the liquify again, and let's play. It would create something like this. Cool. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy and see you in the next video.